The Multires Displacement Eraser brush, not surprisingly, erases whatever detail you sculpted after adding a Multires modifier to your mesh. Besides detail that you sculpted yourself, it can also remove detail stored in the Multires modifier from a Shrinkwrap modifier after projecting a high detail sculpt onto a retopoed base mesh. After applying the Shrinkwrap modifier, detail can then be erased using this brush. This can be useful if there are some Shrinkwrap projection artifacts which can be erased. For best results, first click on Apply Base in the Multires modifier. This adjusts the base mesh to match the shape of the projected mesh better.